Viewers, India may come to a ceasefire understanding with Pakistan, but forces continue to remain on a high alert along the border, knowing the enemy state cannot be trusted. Times Now's Tejashree is on the ground along the LOC locations, bringing us reports on how our braves are keeping a close eye on Pakistan's actions. They're ready for any mischief from across the border. Take a look at what she sent.
Let me commence by these lines written by Guru Gobind Singh Ji. And these lines are, Chunkar az hama hilte dar guzasht, halal ast burdan ba shamshir dast. That means that when all efforts of peace fails, it's righteous to pick up the sword and cause peace. And that's what Indian Army, Indian force, security forces have been doing, will be doing with Pakistan. Currently, Times Now is reporting from a bunker, and here you can see that how the Jawans are targeting straight towards the Pakistani post. If there is any movement from that side, then the target will be set. And as we saw in the past during Operation Sindoor, how the Pakistani post, how the bunkers were decimated, in the similar way, the same action will be taken, because Operation Sindoor is still on. An inch of movement from the Pakistan, and Pakistan will be getting a quick and precise response from the BSF, who have been monitoring the situation 24/7. Bunkers definitely are the lifelines for a soldier, but here we are present in a bunker that is just 400 meters away from the Pakistani post, and you can see that how this Pakistani post is just 400 meters away. And during Operation Sindoor also there was heavy firing, heavy shelling from the side of Pakistan. But here, the position where we are present right now, from here multiple targets were set, and a number of posts from the Samba sector were brought down. The exact location will not be revealing because of the security reasons, but that in the screen, Ramji, one more time you show that this is the medium machine gun, and that has the capability of firing more than 1,000 rounds in a minute. So this is the MMG targeting towards the Pakistani post from the bunker at the international border that is just 400 meters away. And here you have seen the position, that how they are, have taken their position, and they are on alert mode 24/7. This is not just in the midnight, but 24/7. However, the midnight time becomes very much important, because we have been seeing that how during the midnight there were cowardly attempts of attack made from the side of Pakistan. That on my left side you saw the Jawans holding guns on the position, and on my right hand side here you will see that how they are monitoring the position as well, because we have been seeing that this war is not just only about being on ground, but this war is also about a war of technology, war of information, and that's a war of surveillance as well. And at that point we have seen that how drones have played a major role rather than being on ground. So that's why it's important to also keep a quick surveillance, keep a continuous surveillance in the air as well. And that's why in fact you can see that the eye, that means the cameras, how they are monitoring the movement. All these screens you can see that they are symbolizing, they are showcasing the Pakistani post, the area beyond the fencing that is bifurcating the international border between India and Pakistan. The time is mentioned, date is mentioned, and these are the fencing, and any movement, these thermal images will be generating any movement, say it be from any side, because we have seen that number of times infiltration attempts were made from the side of Pakistan, but all those attempts, infiltration bids, were foiled by the BSF over here that is deployed at the international border, who has played a crucial role, who was the backbone at a time when there was continuous ceasefire violation, when there are continuous mortars and shells that were artillery that were fired from the side of enemy. And that's why still, even if ceasefire is declared, Operation Sindoor is still on. Even an inch of movement and this target will be set. With video journalist Ram, this is Tejashree for Times Now.